have food.
Would you rather experience an engine failure on an airplane or an engine failure on a cruise ship?
Oh, for sure a cruise ship. Like, what if the engine failure drop on water, and what if the cruise ship fucked up at land? No, you really? You rather engine failure on airplane? You're 100% dead, man. You're 100% dead. That's why? Hey, you can swim. Nah, you can still survive with the cruise ship, man. And there is lots of boats, the small boats. You see them there, Kenny? Engine failure, you drop one boat and you fuck off. What the fuck?